Ever wondered how to talk about the weather in isiZulu? Let's learn in a few seconds. Let's start with weather words. Isimo sezulu, weather. Kuyashisa, it's hot. Kuyabanda, it's cold. Kunemvula, it's raining. Kunamafu, it's cloudy. Kuvunguza umoya, it's windy. Kushisa ilanga, the sun is shining. Now let's do seasons. Intwasahlobo is spring. Ihlobo, summer. Ikwindla, autumn. Ubusika, winter. In which season were you born? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning isiZulu with me. Ngiyabonga. Thank you for watching.